They say distance can break love, but that's never true for animals and their humans. These emotional reunions are living proof that real love never fades. It only grows stronger with time.
Yep.
This soldier returned from deployment to find her once small pup now grown. When the dog realized it was her, she couldn't contain her excitement.
Hey! Look, it's baby! Yeah! Oh, oh, oh! She can't contain.
This was the happiest moment for this lioness, reuniting with her caretaker after his 4-month work trip abroad. These rhinos suffered deeply at the hands of illegal wildlife traffickers. She fought to rescue them, gave them safety, and now they finally get to feel love and peace by her side. When Anita returned 9 months later to visit the 4 young wolves she had found and nurtured as cub in the forest, they rushed to greet her with unmistakable love.
I know, I can't even see you.
Once abused and left with a broken leg, this lion was rescued and healed by one man's love. Now he thrives, but sadly, not one subscriber has shown him love.
No, cálmate. Que no te gane la enjundia, papá.
Some hands can calm even a crocodile. And yes, the man in this video has done exactly that. A 100-pound disabled lion, the devoted caretaker with amputated legs who raised him, and their loyal friend. And after all the abuse, he finally found love and safety in the arms of his caretaker. Thought animals didn't have feelings? Wait till you see this moment. It says it all. These bears were overjoyed to reunite with Jim after he returned from his recent trip. Who needs a guard dog when your best friend is a pet tiger? The Tiger King? Not quite, but this boy is surely the true Bobcat King. Let's sit together and soak in this peaceful moment. 2 friends, leaving the world behind, eyes closed, hearts full. A quiet joy worth witnessing. Seen all the cute animal moments? Now watch this seal reunite with its caretaker. Drop a 1 if today's animals melted your heart. Humans use their arms to show love. Elephants use their powerful trunks. And in this tender moment, oh my God, Mommy's home.
Do you want to hug her? Oh, good girl.
Have you ever thought that fish don't feel? Watch this. This one came back to the boys who released her, after they saw that she was full of eggs and let her go. Now she's with them. Rescued from cruelty, the elephant found love and safety with the man who saved her. Months later, she reunited with her caretaker in a great moment.
I'll never forget that.
Oh.
Yeah. That was close.
Dear.
This woman had cared for the goat since it was very young. Now, after a year of living in a new place, she came back to see him. Look how happy he is to see his owner again.
I love you too.
Luckily for this calf, she was rescued by him before facing a life of confinement and slaughter. Now she lives a happy life with her new family. This baby rhino is eager to run in circles the moment he hears his caretaker's footsteps.
Det er sjældent, de løber direkte ind i os. Og så ordner vi to bare den her kamp. Det har vi lige set.
Do you love this moment? Stolen during a burglary, Stella the Labradoodle was miraculously reunited with her owner, thanks to a microchip and community kindness. A warm hug and a firm handshake. It's their timeless ritual each time they reunite.
They are a really great pair. Every time.
This man comes home after 5 months apart and reunites with his cow. After 5 years apart, military dog Alex reunites with his handler, Sergeant First Class Felice, and now lives with him and his loving family forever.
His name, and then I saw he was at Fort Polk, and I.
Your chest.
After 25 years together, Sinbad and his owner shared an unbreakable bond. But as his friend fell
Can you say
ill,
hi to
the once
Sinbad?
joyful parrot became unusually quiet.
Right there in your chest.
The moment a lost dog cries with joy as she reunites with her mom will melt your heart. Samuel is 5 months old and loves being petted and cuddled, and we love spoiling him. Luckily, he now lives with a wonderful owner. They're so curious and happy to see their mom again.
Good boy.
Very good.
This woman deserves worldwide recognition, not only for rescuing this chimp, but for caring for him like a mother.
A monster coming to get you are not.
Miley being reunited with her daddy after 4 months. She got so excited she jumped on the table.
Oh, you're so good.
She's so cute. She likes to hug people's noses.
This you should rest.
She's so cute when she reunites with her mom. This dog didn't recognize his dad at first. He hadn't seen him in almost 2 years. Look how happy this cow is to be reunited with his owner. This pet rooster runs to his favorite human, his mom, when he sees her coming home.
Papi, hombre, claro que te acuerdas, niña. Claro que te acuerdas, claro.
Watch this puppy reunite with her favorite person in the world after 2 weeks apart. She tried giving him his favorite treat, but he chose to reunite with his dad instead. The joy of this dog when seeing Dad after just 5 hours apart. How happy this turtle is when he sees his owner.
All right.
Ba't ko galit sa'yo? Hala. Kakagatin ka.
Bakit din ako?
Nakagat ka.
Come here.
After 3 days apart, Lola the lost dog joyfully reunites with her dad.
Oh, she's so happy.
She came home from a 5-day trip and thought she could nap in peace. Think again. One month apart, and their bond is still just as strong. To this sheep, she's the whole universe.
It's Bree and me and Ollie, Claire, and we wanted to wish you a beautiful day. Have a good one.
Sarıl kızım sarıl.
Çok seveyim.
That's all for today. Have you ever shared a special moment with an animal? Share below. Let's protect them from cruelty and violence. Spreading kindness and care makes a real difference. Like and subscribe for more heartfelt stories. For more.
My baby! Oh, it's now
Ah.